John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Hope your day's going well. Well, today's lesson, we're going to be working on a guy's face with a beard. So just like basically a simple little project that I know you can do. But before we get started, as I always say, if you got your pencil and paper, let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Hey, I hope you learned something different with this video. You may or may not, but I know you'll learn something different now because I'm going to challenge you. That's right, challenging you. Take about 30 minutes a day and practice on your own, sketching whatever is in front of you, or take the lesson that I just shared with you and modify it to your style or change it up to more realistic as well, or more cartoony, whatever you feel. But challenge yourself 30 minutes a day, and I'm sure to say at the end of all that practice, you're going to be a much better artist. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. And if you did, 2 thumbs up for you guys. Thanks, buds. All right. As always, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.